Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Sign in, verify your API key, and enable 2FA so access is secure. Once done, open the Next Wave client or web console and select the project you will use. This sets the context. Make sure to pick the environment and default region to avoid misrouted resources. Now create a minimal workspace and a config file so the system recognizes your settings. This gets you into the tool quickly and correctly. Once the workspace exists, focus on configuration and execution. Edit the config to set endpoints, authentication tokens, and rate limits like 100 rec/min so behavior is predictable. Then map resources, attach services, databases, and load rules so traffic flows correctly. Run a dry run to validate changes and inspect logs for warnings. This prevents surprises. After validation, trigger a staged deploy or incremental rollout to minimize impact. Make sure to monitor metrics in real time and adjust thresholds as needed. To complete the process, validate every part. Run health checks, confirm latency and error rates are within targets, and test key user journeys end-to-end. Once stable, export the final config, document the state, and hand over credentials to stakeholders so operations can continue. If something goes wrong, immediately roll back to the previous release, examine detailed logs for exceptions, and clear caches or restart affected services. If rollback fails, escalate with exact timestamps and reproducible steps to shorten recovery time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.